Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Ryuen. And sa content natin ngayon guys is bago na. Ito yung first content ko na Seal M. Yung Seal M guys, bagong game ni Cross sa campaign. So, ayun guys, pre-reg pa lang siya guys. Wala pang totally game. Di pa na, I think sa pag-launch dun ang alam ko kasi may beta test pa para ma-visual na natin guys yung game nasan yung yung mga gamit nila meron doon, ganong tapos ayun guys, pwede na kayo guys mag-pre-reg guys. And ito yung niya website guys, yung sealm.com. Pwede nyo guys bisitahin. And meron din silang Facebook. Nandito sa gilid ko lang guys, gilid ko lang. Facebook, Discord, tapos X or Twitter. Pwede kayo mag-join guys. And pagdating naman dito guys sa pre-registration, so may makukuha tayo guys special rewards para sa journey natin doon sa SealM. Ayun guys, dito i-click nyo lang itong I agree to follow terms and continue. Ayun guys, notice pre-registration rewards will deliver after the official launch. Ayun guys, rewards can be claimed once per account. Isang account lang guys yung reward, and rewards may change depending on event conditions. Abnormal or violating accounts may be restricted from receiving rewards. So, kailangan guys, stick lang kayo sa isang account guys. Huwag kayo magdodoble, magto-triple, kahit basta huwag nyo i-abnormal or mag-violate ng ng accounts. So, yun guys. Tapos, enter nyo guys yung email address nyo para mag-send sa inyo yung link ata para makapag-download na kayo guys ng SealM. Kasi doon sa Play Store wala pa guys. Pero ako nakapag-pre-reg na ako guys. Ito guys yung pre-registration reward guys. Yung 20 HP potion 300. Grabe guys, 300. Tapos MP potion 300 din. Skill book piece 25 pieces. Pet summon ticket. May chance ka agad dyan guys na makakuha ng ng mataas na level na pet. Tapos yung costume guys, magaganda daw guys. So I'm looking forward. Yan. So meron siya guys sa Google and sa Apple app meron guys. So next yung pre-registration unlock event. So as of now guys, nasa 36,000 na naka-join sa pre-reg dito sa CLM guys. So dito yung malalaman yung guys, yung mga makukuha nating rewards based sa mga nag-join. Kasi let's grow together. The more adventurers join, the more gifts everyone receives. So since 36k na tayo guys, ito yung mga rewards na kailangan natin maabot sa pag-invite. So, kung aabot tayo ng 100k guys, mayroon tayong fast travel ticket na 200, 300k new Rascal Rabbit costume. Maganda to guys, maganda. 500k yung winter special coupon, 20. And sa rare pet guys, 50. Pag umabot tayo guys ng 1 million guys, sorry na, hindi ng 1,000. 1 million na nag-join sa SealM, meron tayong Rascal Rabbit necklace. I think malakas to guys. Malaking ambag to sa character natin. And pag umabot guys ng 2M na sumali, meron tayo guys ng mountain goat. Grabe talaga magbigay si SealM guys. Kaya mag-join na kayo guys, mag-pre-reg na kayo. And next naman is Cross Million Jackpot. a chance to win 1 million cross, which is equivalent to 103,000 USD dollars, guys. So nandito na guys yung mga yung mga instructions. Yan. Ayan, sa first prize, 5 white balls. Meron kayo 170 cross, 20 cross, tapos 10 cross. 1,000 yan guys, hindi ko na binanggit yung 1,000 kasi kita nyo naman guys sa video. Charot. Tapos ito guys, yung instruction. Ayan. As of now guys, wala pa. Kasi nag-iipon pa. Kakasimula lang kahapon guys na pag-video sila. So yun. Next naman is class characteristic. Tingnan natin. As of now, may knight do sa Seal M. May knight. Sword and shield, combat style, close range. Malapitan guys. Mabibisit nyo naman ito guys. And next is yung mage. Staff, long range siya guys. Long range. So meron na tayong knight, mage. Sunod, priest. Close range din to guys. Kasi kung malayo ka, paano may heal yung secret? And next naman is yung jester. Ngayon ko lang ito narinig guys, yung jester. I think, dagger daw guys. Parang assassin guys. Assassin na pang long range yung combat style. Sunod is warrior. Yung two-handed sword. Charot. Close range. Ayun lang guys, yung 5. Knight, mage, priest, jester, and warrior. Yung jester talaga guys, feel ko ano to, assassin. Na pangalan ng jester. Ayun guys. And next is content. Find the class you like the most. Next is costume. Next is Guarders. Ride the most fun mounts ever and travel across the world. Of Seal. Grabe talaga guys si Seal M guys. Marami mangyayari dun sa Seal M. Malalaman natin guys. System requirements. Sa Android guys, ang alam ko kasi malakas ang kain nito sa cellphone. Kaya sana kayanin guys ang cellphone natin. Kasi sabi dito, minimum memory niya is 4 GB. So, nire-recommend ni Seal M yung 6 GB RAM. Pero I think kaya naman ng cellphone natin ngayon guys. Kahit 4 GB lang, kaya yan. Palag lang. Tapos sa iOS, same lang. Tapos ang recommended lang niya is 4 GB RAM. I think dahil siguro mas maganda yung iPhone kaysa sa Android. Pero I think kaya naman. Meron din guys sa PC. Meron din guys ito. Kaso mas mataas nga lang yung kain ng RAM. So sa minimum niya is 8 GB RAM. Tapos yung recommended ni Seal M is yung 16 GB RAM. Ayan. So, ayun lang guys, kayo na magbasa kasi yung iba hindi ako familiar dito sa specs. Ayun guys. And lastly guys, yung ano ba to? System requirements, diba? Tokenomics. So, dito nga guys makikita yung instruction guys, yung mga gameplay. So ayun guys, play the game, enjoy the world, and connect beyond. Ruby purchase, village item. Ayun guys. Tapos cross, which is yung makukuha nyong cross do sa laro guys. Tapos, I think pwede nyo rin to ilabas guys. So ano pa hinahantay nyo guys? Mag-pre-reg na kayo. Tapos sabay-sabay tayo mag-enjoy din sa adventure. And guys, tapos may mga instruction yan guys dito. Kayo na po bumisita sa website para mabasa nyo na maigi kasi ako, mabilis ako magbasa guys. Lastly guys, yung media. Kung gusto nyo guys, panoorin natin dito. Panoorin natin guys. Diba? Pre-rig na kayo guys. Ganda guys. Grabe. So ayun lang guys. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin dito sa content na ito guys. And see you guys sa next content ng SEAL-M. And alam ko matagal pa ang pagbalik natin kasi pre-reg pa lang to guys, and ano pa lang to, introduction ng SEAL-M on Cross. So antayin natin guys yung app. Doon tayo magkikita ulit guys. Maraming salamat. Bye bye.